Hello everyone, welcome to another video of the playlist SketchUp Coding for Beginners. Today's objective will be to find the volume of a sphere. So let's get started. As usual, this is the SketchUp model and this is the Ruby code editor screen. So first thing you need to understand is that to find the volume of any object, first either it should be a group or a component. So at first we are going to create a group. Let's name it as ZRP. To make a group, we add the command add group and then we name this group as sphere. Then we create a semi-circle at first, which we have already discussed in the previous video. To do so, first we create an arc. We need to go inside the entities of the group and then add arc with, let's say, the center at origin, the starting vector as x-axis, the rotational vector as z-axis, with radius of 2 units starting from 0 degrees to 180 degrees and with number of segments 30. Then we draw a line, we go inside the entities of that group and then add line joining the points 2, 0, 0 and minus 2, 0, 0. Let's press Ctrl R. You can see this arc and this line. Then we need to join this arc and line in one variable. To do so, we push that line inside this arc1 so that now arc1 becomes a boundary. Then we add face to that boundary. So let's name it as face1. We need to go to again inside the entities of that group and then add face for that arc1. Let's press Ctrl R. You can see the face drawn over there. Then we will draw a path which is circular to follow. Let's name it as circle1. Go inside the entities of that group and then add circle. Let's say the center to be origin and then the vector of rotation to be 1, 0, 0 and then radius as half of the bigger circle, so it will be 1 and then number of segments to be, let's say, 30. Let's press Ctrl R button so a circle is drawn like this. Then at last, to draw a sphere, we need to follow this face to this path of circle 1. Let's press Ctrl R button, but before proceeding, let's go to the model, press Ctrl A, delete everything and then go back to Ruby code editor, press Ctrl R button. So as you can see, when we go to the model and click this sphere, it says in this default tray that it is a group, but you cannot find the volume of the sphere over there. The reason is that, let's go back to the model again, press delete, and I will put a hashtag over here so that the last line would not run while running the program. Let's press Ctrl R button and see. So we have that group, and while we select this, everything got selected, but actually this circular portion is not in the sphere. We don't need this. So this group also contains this circle, so it cannot provide the volume for that sphere. So after doing this command, we need to delete all these edges inside this circle. So to do so, we apply the loop. So for each item in circle 1, we need to erase them all. So this is the command. So after it creates a sphere, what it does is it deletes every small line segments there in this circle. So let's go to the model, press Ctrl A, delete, go back to the Ruby code editor, press Ctrl R button. As you can see now, what happens is that if you select on this sphere, it also gives its volume. So let's go to the calculator and check if that is correct or not. We know the volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi times r cubed. So the radius of the sphere is 2 units. So let's go to the calculator. So let's see, 4 by 3 times pi times r cubed is 2 cube 8, so equals 33.51. In SketchUp you can see it's 33.17 inches. So this is slightly less than the actual value. as we have already discussed, is that SketchUp actually does not draw a smooth sphere over here. You can see some edges lingering on there. So if you want to get more precise result, you need to change the number of segments. So this is all about finding the volume of the sphere. Keep learning, and thanks for watching.